Hey, let me show you how you can bypass your screen lock on the Redmi Pad SE. So if you forgot your password, only way to go into your device is to perform the factory reset by the recovery menu. And unfortunately, you will lost all your data. So to enter the recovery mode, first of all, we have to power off our Redmi Pad SE by holding the power button. And when the power menu shows on the screen, we have to swipe to power off. And now wait for a couple of seconds until our device turns off. And now we have to use two buttons combination. We have to use the power button and the volume up button. When we click these two buttons, our device will turn on, and after that we have to release the power button and only hold the volume up button. So take a look how it works. Click on the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and when the Android logo pops, there we go, release power button and keep holding the volume up button. Now release volume up button and we are in the recovery mode, so we can navigate with the volume buttons. So go to the wipe data with the volume down button, and to confirm you have to tap on the power button. Then scroll one more time with the volume down button to wipe all data and click on this power button. Then scroll down one more time and select confirm by power button. And right now our device is going to be completely reset. As you can see, the data wiped was successful, and now we have to go back to the main menu. So press the power button and then select reboot, and then tap to reboot to system. So click power button. And now our device will turn on and we will be able to perform the first setup of our device. And that's the only way to recover your device when you forgot your screen lock password. That's all for this video. Bye bye.